Hello and welcome to the second WordPress tutorial video. In my last video, we talked about how can we log into the backend of a WordPress website. In today's video, we are going to see how can we create a new page in the backend of a WordPress website. Now, I'm going to divide this tutorial into two videos or two parts. Part one, which is today's video, we are going to create a new page, but as a draft copy. In the second part, which will be the next video, we are going to add content to the draft page, which we will create today, and then publish it live. Now, for demonstration purposes, I am going to work on a test website. So in order to get started, we will simply have to log into the backend of our WordPress website. If you don't know how to do that, please refer to my very first WordPress tutorial video. Now, once we have logged into the backend of the WordPress website, we will be redirected to the dashboard, main dashboard of the WordPress website. From there, in the left-hand side menu, we will hover our mouse over the option pages and then click on the Add New button in order to create a new page. From there, we will be redirected to the window where we can start the creation of our new page. Now, to start off with, we will need to name our page. In this instance, we are just going to call it newsletters. Now that's the name of our page. Once we are done with that, on the right-hand side, you can see there are a few options under the heading summary. The first option is the visibility option, to which parties your page is going to be visible to. So if you click into that, there will be three options there: public, private, and password protected. So public means it will be visible to all the audiences on your live website. Private means that only site administrators and editors will be able to see that page. It won't be live on your website publicly. And the last one is password protected. You can put a password on this page. Once a person who has access to the link of this page enters the password, they will be able to see the content of this page. So for now, we will going to select the option public. Publish option, we do not want to publish our page today because we are going to create a draft copy, and in our next video, we are going to add content to this particular page. Then the next one is the template. This should always be the default template of the WordPress website. We do not want to change this option. And the last one, which is a very important one, is the URL of your page. What will be the URL of your newly created page? So by default, what happens is when you add a name to the new page, it picks up the name of the page and adds it as the URL of the new page. So it will be followed by the domain of your website. So in this case, nzdpg.kiwi/newsletters. That will be the URL of the newly created page. So once we are done sorting all these options, we will simply click on Save Draft. And our draft copy should be saved in the backend of the WordPress website. If you want to ensure that the draft copy has been saved, we will simply click on this particular logo in the top left-hand side of my screen where it says View Pages. Now you can see the new page which we just created, the draft copy, has been added to the list of the already existing pages, and it says in front of that draft. So we have successfully created a new draft page on the website. It is not visible to the public at the moment. Now, please remember that in order to make any kind of changes in the backend of a WordPress website, you need to have an intermediate level of knowledge. And my WordPress tutorial series will show you exactly how to make changes in the backend of a WordPress website, how to create pages, and how to add basic settings. Now, Wonks also has a service level agreement, which we can use as a product and offer it to you to take care of all your WordPress website needs. So please feel free to get in touch with us. For the next video, please look out for it in the next month. it will show you how to add content to the draft page which we have just created. I hope this WordPress tutorial was helpful. Thank you very much.